Today we're going to talk about the data. And the introduction is what is the data and what is the three types of data. First is the analytics and data mining and cognitive computing, and they're related to big data, the benefits of the data and the challenges. So what is data? Data is a set of values of qualitative variables, now restated pieces of data are individual pieces of information. Data is measured, collected, and reported and analyzed, whereupon it can be visualized using graphs or images. Data as a general concept refers to the fact that some existing information or knowledge is presented or coded in some form suitable for better usage or processing. And also the data information, the knowledge and wisdom are closely related to concepts, but each has its own role in relationship to the other. Data is collected and analyzed to create information suitable for making decisions, while knowledge is derived from extensive amounts of experience dealing with information on a subject. So what is the analytic data? And analytics is the discovery and communication of meaningful patterns in data, especially valuable in areas rich with recorded information. Analytics relies on the simultaneous application of statistics, computer programming, and operation research to quantify performance. Analytics often favor data visualization to communicate insights. Also, what is a data analyst? The DA is the science of examining raw data with the purpose of drawing conclusion about that information. Data analytics is used in many industries to allow companies or an organization to make better business decisions, and in the science to verify or disprove existing models or theories. Data analytics is distinguished from data mining by the scope, purpose, and focus of the analysis. There are a few challenges and risks. First of all, the challenges are strategic element and agility and commitment and information maturity. Also, there are four risks. There is the discrimination, the price discrimination, and the statistical discrimination. And the ownership of content is usually unclear in the law, and unprotected identity of users and information security. So what is data mining? Data mining is an interdisciplinary subfield of computer science. Is the computational process of discovering patterns in a large data set involving methods at the intersection of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, statistics, and the database system. So what is the task of data mining? The data mining task is the automatic or semi-automatic analysis of the large quantities of data to extract previously unknown interesting patterns such as group of data records, unusual records, and dependencies. This unusual involves using database techniques such as the spatial indices. These patterns can then be seen as a kind of summary of input data and may be used in further analysis, or, for example, in machine learning and predictive analytics. So how does the data mining works? First of all, the first step is to identify as a business process, and then analyze the data and develop the predictive models, and then you're gonna deploy, and the final one is to quantify, and it's a circle. So what is cognitive computing? Cognitive computing makes a new class of problems computable. It addresses the complex situations that are characterized by ambiguity and uncertainty. In other words, it handles humankind's kinds of problems in these dynamics, information-rich, and shifting situations. Data tends to change frequently, and it is often conflicting. The goal of cognitive computing, the goal of the user evolves as they learn more and redefine their objectives. To respond to field natural of users' understanding of their problems, the CC system offer an synthesis, not just the information source, but of the influence, context, and insights. The cognitive system is the adaptive, interactive, iterative, and stateful, and contextual and additional use of the term. The benefits is the dialogue with consumers and redevelop products and perform risk analysis and keeping your data safe and create new revenue streams and so on. The challenges we can see is the meeting the needs for speed, understanding the data, and address the data quality and displaying meaningful results. The final point is that data is also increasingly used in other fields. It has been suggested as the highly interpretive nature of them might be at odds of the thorough of the data as given. You can use all the quantitative data you can get, but you still have to distribute it and use your own intelligence and judgment. Thank you.